be playing this tractor. This has giant wheels with this black thingies. Well, I flipped it over, and here's a sound wave, a trailer, and there's a black thingies on the yellow wheels. And it can move. Okay, it's too slow. And there's a honky. And here is a song. And here are some sound waves. This is a piggy like Cody's mom. And this one is a horse. And this one is a chicken. And this one is a sheep. A baby sheep. And this final line, I think it's a cow. Like Cody's mom. So guys, the estimate question is, what is your favorite animal at the farm? Post a comment down below and see what's your favorite farm. So you guys like this video, and I love you guys, and still subscribe to this channel. Bye guys.